CNT is located in Menghe Town, which is the manufacturing base of China's automotive parts. Covering an area of 15,000 square meters, the company is specialized in manufacturing auto exterior accessories for SUVs and pickups. Main products are side stud, skid plate, lamp, body kits, and etc. Nowadays, the company has established partnership with different automobile companies worldwide, such as Mercedes-Benz, Lincoln, Lexus, and etc., and has certified by 16,949 ISO for 5001 and 14,001. To ensure parts quality, in-house lab was set up, which includes dozens of testing facilities, such as salt spray test chamber, xenon resistance test chamber, and high temperature, low temperature test chamber. Currently, the annual production capacity reaches to 2 million sets on the basis of full cooperations between different workshops, such as injection molding workshop, hardware workshop, painting workshop, powder coating workshop, assembly workshop, and warehouse. And we continuously imported facilities such as welding robots, 3D laser cut machine, CNC bending machines, and etc. to expand our production range to outdoor off-road production line. In the principle of quality, integrity, and innovation, CNT will continue to make efforts to become the most reliable brand.